Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to change your theme on Threads. So for you to do this, you can easily go to your control center and then you click on this icon here to change between dark mode and light mode. After activating this, automatically your Threads app appears as a dark mode, but you can also do this and then it's back to white. So if you don't have this in your control center, you can go to your settings and then you swipe on down and then you click on control center, which is just below general settings. After that, you just swipe and then you look for this logo that says dark mode and then you attach it. So let's say it's not here. You swipe down and look for it and then you add plus and then there you have it. It will appear in your control center below. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.